Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to talk about one of everyone's, well not everyone's, but most of them's best shampoo, that is none other than Tresemme Keratin Smooth Shampoo. So here I am presenting you the review of this new improved Keratin Smooth Shampoo, which has 5 benefits and lower amount of sulfate and all the chemical products, which has been reduced to a maximum limit, but again it still have those chemicals in it. So let us begin with the review. So let us talk about the packaging of the bottle. So it comes in a very pretty red bottle, which is very appealing, and it comes in different sizes also. So now here which one I am talking about is for approximately 340 ml. This is also available on Amazon. I'll be leaving the link below in the description box, and comes for 208 rupees along with the discount, and you can buy it from Nykaa as well or at your nearest grocery stores also. And also you can go for an offer which you can get for along with the conditioner. So that's the packaging. It has a flip top cap that shuts very firmly, and as I said, the shampoo comes in a red bottle, and it is very easy to differentiate when you buy the conditioner, because the conditioner comes in the white bottle, and that is also very travel friendly, as the shampoo doesn't spill over in your bag in case if you're planning to travel. And now let us look into the ingredient of the shampoo. So if you go to look at the ingredient, it contains aqua, which is none other than water, sodium luthrate sulfate, and there is also, if you see, dimethiconal, which is none other than silica present in it. Now as they have mentioned in the beginning or in the front of the bottle, that it contains very less amount of all this product in this, so that is what it has improved. And it also has with keratin and argan oil, which is again made the shampoo more better as compared to its previous quality. So this shampoo is white and creamy and very easy to apply. It's neither too thick or not too thin. It's very easily it lathers very easily and is very runny in your hair, which helps you to clean your hair very easily. And it has a very fresh fragrance which is left in your hair, in it makes your hair smell so great even after the wash. Like if you keep it for 1 or 2 days, the smell is still available and it makes you feel very fresh. And once you apply the shampoo, it is easily washable with water. It doesn't take too much of water to clean your hair, and it also makes your hair very soft, and it feels like you have an amazing hair with just a use of shampoo. And this I'm talking about even without a conditioner. So even if you're thinking of not using a conditioner, even still that is okay, because the shampoo does all the work. Now let us talk about the effect this shampoo causes. This shampoo is one of the best shampoo that I have used from Tresemme, and believe me, I have used this shampoo for almost more than 6 to 7 months, and this is one of the actually best shampoo. It helps in maintaining your hair. It also gives a nice shine to your hair once you have finished washing your hair, and it lasts. The quality of your hair improves a lot, and it also gives you a very good shine to your hair, which is very not possible to achieve in any other shampoo that is available in the market for this price. So I would recommend this to each and every one, like whoever is trying to find or get a hair which is manageable for you. So try this shampoo and you will be enjoying it to the core, trust me, and you'll be thanking me for that. And also it is it would be very better if you would be oiling your hair before and after you use this. The effects lasts very longer as compared to non using the oil. So I get a lot of questions regarding, after doing my keratin treatment, can I use Tresemme shampoo? for them, because I have getting loads and loads of question of that to use a Tresemme shampoo. So I would suggest you, please don't use Tresemme for a keratin treatment, guys. Whoever have done their keratin treatment from whichever salon, the salon people will themselves suggest you to the shampoo to be used along with a keratin treatment. Either you do it of L'Oreal or GK, right? So if you're using or you're doing a keratin treatment using L'Oreal product, use a L'Oreal shampoo. I have also done the video for L'Oreal keratin shampoo, and you can check that out for that. The only reason why they suggest you to use the same brand product after doing a keratin treatment is because the the treatment that you have done will last for you in your hair for a longer period of time. So if you use any different brand product like shampoo, like if you use Tresemme, the product quality will reduce, and instead of that treatment lasting for 3 months, it will last only for 2 months or 2.5 months. So you are reducing the shelf life of the treatment. Only that is the reason and nothing else. Okay, so that is one of my suggestion that I wanted to give to you all, because I get a lot of question regarding this. So this was the shampoo. So as I said, in the market, if you're looking for a very good product at a lesser price which is easily available, you can definitely go for this. And how to apply this: you just have to wet your hair. It is mentioned in the bottle. Gently massage the scalp and roots with fingertips tips to work into a lather, and you just have to use a small quantity at the first depending on your hair quantity, and to the end thoroughly, and you have to gently massage your hair with the shampoo. Then finish. Depends, like I don't use conditioner, guys. I use the leave-in conditioner of L'Oreal instead of a conditioner. So you can, if you want, you can finish it up with using the Tresemme conditioner, and I have also done the review of Tresemme conditioner in my next video. You can check that out as well. So that was all today for the Tresemme shampoo review, the Keratin Smooth one, which is amazing shampoo, I would suggest. And yes, if I recommend this, if I'll use this again, definitely I will, because this is very best for the pocket as well as for my hair. So I definitely recommend you all as well. So before ending the video, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel if you're new to this channel, and also click on the bell icon. For nothing else, just you'll get notified whenever my new video is uploaded. And really thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.